Welcome to another Break Road 35 International tutorial. My name is Steve Hoffman. Today we're going to learn about our package codes for the Philippines only. And this is when you pick up your package at a Philippine Business Center location, or we call a BCO, Business Center Office. If you're ordering online, the codes will be done through the office. But if you're picking up your package at a business center, the main office doesn't know that's being done. So you're going to be given a code that you enter. And it could be done. They can give you that code manually. Also, the code can be placed in your back office. Now, where you find codes is you click on where it says purchase codes on the left navigation bar. Then you go down to where it says package codes. And you'll see something like this. It'll give the date that it was purchased, the order ID, the source, the serial number, and the code number. Then the type of package. This is a basic package, 31 US dollars. Once it's used, it'll give the date that it was used and the name of the person it was used for. So what the first thing you want to do, whether it's given to you manually, you're going to get these two numbers. You can do this either way, manually, or you can copy and paste this number if it's in your back office. A lot of people just choose and they get it manually, and they're given to that number by that business center. Here we're going to use the back office. So I just copied both of those two numbers, the serial and the code. Now I want to upgrade my account because I may have a free trainee account as being pre-enrolled, or I may have a basic account and I want to upgrade to a builder or an elite package. So I'm going to click account upgrade. Okay, what's going to come up is a screen like this, distributor upgrade. There's a circle there, and you just click on that just to make sure it's highlighted in orange. And then you click next because you have your activation code. Now you're going to paste those two numbers where it says serial code. But you should only have one that says the serial code. It has usually two letters and then numbers. So we need to do is move this number, the code, over to where it says code. Depending on your computer skills, you can manually type that, or you can cut it and paste it, or you can copy and paste it and then come back and delete that number. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut it this time. Actually, we'll copy it first so you can see how it's done. We'll copy it, and then I'll go over here and I'll paste it. But I need to get rid of it. So I'm going to get rid of this whole number, highlight it all the way to that 0, and I'm going to delete it. Now let's say we didn't do it. We wanted to cut it and paste it. For those of you that know how to do that, I'm going to go back here, put the number back. We're going to highlight this number. We're going to cut it and then paste it. Then go back and make sure all those spaces are eliminated. Then you click finish. I'm not going to click finish here because this is a training account and that would activate the account, which we're not going to do at this time. So hopefully you found that helpful. Just go back to the dashboard when you're done, and you'll see your account will have been upgraded. And that can tell you, like here, this one is a builder. It could have been upgraded to an elite. It'll say current package for your account, and that will be there. So hopefully that was helpful. Again, that's for Philippines only, for those that pick up packages at a business center. I thank you. Look forward to seeing you on our next tutorial. Bye now.